Breastfeeding is one of the most natural and beneficial acts a mother can do for her baby, but it's also surrounded by tons of misinformation. From old wives' tales to well-meaning but outdated advice, these myths can make the breastfeeding journey confusing and even discouraging for new moms. Today on Milk Moments USA, we're busting 5 dangerous myths about breastfeeding that seriously need to die. Let's clear the air. Myth number 1. You don't produce milk right after birth. This one scares a lot of new moms, but it's totally false. Truth. Your body begins producing colostrum, a thick, nutrient-rich early milk, immediately after birth and sometimes even before. This liquid gold is packed with antibodies that protect your newborn from illness. Just because you don't see a full flow of milk doesn't mean your baby isn't getting what they need. Colostrum is powerful and is all your baby needs. In the first few days, myth number 2, small breasts can't produce enough milk. Let's kill this toxic idea once and for all. Truth. Breast size has nothing to do with milk supply. The amount of milk you produce depends on glandular tissue and demand-based feeding, not cup size. So whether you're NO or ADD, your body is designed to feed your baby beautifully and efficiently. Myth number 3. You shouldn't breastfeed if you're sick. Many moms panic when they catch a cold or flu, thinking they'll infect their baby through breast milk. Truth. In most cases, you should absolutely continue breastfeeding if you're sick. Your body produces antibodies to fight the infection, and those get passed to your baby through your milk, helping protect them. Breastfeeding is your baby's first immune system, and it's pretty amazing. Myth number 4. You have to follow a strict feeding schedule. Raise your hand if someone told you to feed your baby every 2 or 3 hours, like clockwork. Truth. Newborns don't follow the clock, they follow their instincts. Feeding on demand is key to building supply and satisfying your baby's needs. Breastfeeding isn't just about hunger, it's about comfort, bonding, and growth. Trust your baby. Trust your body. Myth number 5. Formula is just as good as breast milk. This myth can be controversial, but facts are facts. Truth. Formula can be a safe and healthy alternative when needed, but breast milk is a living, dynamic fluid uniquely tailored to your baby's needs. It adapts daily to your baby's age, time of day, and even illness exposure. Nothing compares to the real thing when it comes to immune support, brain development, and emotional bonding. Breastfeeding is hard enough without outdated myths weighing you down. Here on Milk Moments USA, we believe in empowering moms with truth, science, and support, not fear. If this video helped clear the fog for you, hit that like button, subscribe to Milk Moments USA, and share this with another mom who needs to hear the truth. Your journey matters. You're doing better than you think.